Did you know you save money with a 1031 tax-deferred exchange? In a forward exchange, you will first sell the property you own. This property is known as your relinquished property. Within 45 days from the sale, you must identify the property or properties you intend to purchase. The property you purchase is known as the replacement property. You must close on the replacement property within 180 days from your sale. Founded by Tim Cooney, 1031 Real Estate Exchange Specialist has been in business for over 30 years, helping clients just like you complete their tax-deferred exchange. We specialize in and help you navigate other types of 1031 exchanges, such as reverse and construction exchanges. These tend to be more complicated, and it's highly valuable to consult a QI when contemplating these types of exchanges. Increase your savings with a tax-deferred exchange, brought to you by 1031 Real Estate Exchange Specialist. Visit us at 1031taxinfo.com or call 970-259-2077.